Good morning, one and all. My name is Alampalli Akhil. My roll number is 2095105. I am from the Institution of Aeronautical Engineering College, IARE. I am going to explain about my subject is Engineering Physics. I want to explain a few details about the difference between the electromagnetic waves and the matter waves. First of all, we have to recall about the properties of the matter waves. Students will be able to do. Recall the classical mechanics being the replacement of the wave equation by using the expression involved in the wave properties. Properties of the matter wave. Lighter is the particle greater than the wavelength associated with it. Smaller is the velocity of the particle, greater is the wavelength associated with it. When v equals to 0, then lambda equals to infinity. Wave becomes indeterminate. This shows that matter waves are generated only when the latter particle, material particle, are in the motion. Matter waves are produced whether the particle or charged particles are not. Velocity of the matter wave is dependent on the velocity of the material particles, therefore it is not constant. Matter waves can travel faster than the light. The velocity of the matter waves can be greater than the velocity of the light. As we follows the proof, consider the Planck's theory of the radiation of the energy of the photon equals to h into u h c by lambda, where c is the velocity of the light in the vacuum, lambda is the wavelength. According to the Einstein-Mohs relation equals to mc square, comparing the equation 1 and 2 equals to mc square by lambda, mc square by h, wavelength omega equals to v into lambda, and we get final equation c square by v as follows. Matter wave represents only the symbolic representation. No single phenomena exhibited between both the properties nature and the wave nature simultaneously. Heisenberg conservatory principle state consequence of the dual nature of the matter waves. We can find the position of the particle which is localized in the space, but we cannot locate the position of a particle in space out of a disturbances. Electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are also called as EM waves in an outcome of an oscillating electric and the magnetic field. Basically, electromagnetic waves are composed of electric and magnetic fields, and their vibration causes the generation of electromagnetic waves. The charged particles of charged particle generate an electric field, and due to the electric field of the charged particle is accelerated. Further, those moving charged particles gives rise to the magnetic field, which again applies some force on the moving charges. This is a result of a fact that a changing magnetic field generates a changing electric field and vice versa. Here the electric and magnetic fields are mutually perpendicular to each other, and so with the direct of the wave propagation. Matter waves are associated with moving particles and are the result of the motion of electrons, protons, neutrons, and other fundamental particles, also with the atoms and the molecules, as it is major constituent is material matter. Hence, these are known as matter waves. De Broglie suggested that each moving particle has some associated with it, and every matter is composite of the particle. Thus, it is stated that all material possess the wave-like behavior. Differences between the matter wave and electromagnetic waves. Matter waves are associated with the moving particles, charged or uncharged. Electromagnetic waves are produced only by the accelerated charged particles. Wavelength depends on the mass of the particle and the velocity. Wavelength depends on the energy of the photon. Matter waves can travel with the velocity greater than the velocity of light. Traveling the velocity of light. Matter wave is not electromagnetic wave. Electric field and the magnetic field oscillate perpendicular to each other. Matter waves. Matter waves require the medium for the propagation traveling in the vacuum. Electromagnetic waves do not require any medium for the propagation. They can pass through a vacuum. Thank you for giving this opportunity.